Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you are all doing good and you're all well. My name is Ratul, I'm your tech assistant and you are watching your favorite YouTube channel Accessible Computing, a new world of accessibility. Warm welcome to another video of Accessible Computing. In this video, we are going to introduce a very good application, or I can say it is the first OTT application for persons with visually impaired. So the application name is NobaFlix. Yes, friends, you are hearing right. We are also making the video NobaFlix. So now you can also enjoy the movies with complete audio description. We will show you how to use that, how to use the applications in this video. So I hope this video is going to be very interesting and this video is going to be very helpful and informative for you. So without any delay, please press the subscribe button, like the video and share this video with your friends and family. Please listen this video or watch this video till the end, because at the end we have a surprise gift for you. So without any delay, let's start today's wonderful episode. So NobaFlix application is the first application. It is an Indian application and it is the OTT platform for everyone, especially for persons with vision impairment. So I've installed this application. I'll tell you how to install, how to download, how to create account. So at the end time of this video, so keep watching this video. So let me explain the interface.
2 minutes.
So see.
Search.
So here you can search.
Speech to text button.
To text means it's a voice search option. So I'm not going to show you because as the screen record is turned on, so that's why I'm not going to see new release.
View all.
If you click here, then you can able to see the view new releases.
Freddy in list.
So this is an audio and movie Freddy.
Ram C2. Tulsidas Jr.
Okay.
Phone booth.
Tulsidas Jr. Phone booth.
Kervin. Bal Ganesh.
Okay, Bal Ganesh.
Free. View all. Free.
These are free. So if you want to watch other movies, so you need to pay the subscription. Okay, so at the bottom of this application, you will find
Selected.
some of applications, some of
tab. 1 of
tabs.
5 in list.
5 tabs are there. Home tab, then
downloads
tab. So you can download your movies. We'll show you how to download and watch.
Sponsored.
Okay, so if anyone sponsor, if you want to sponsor, if anyone sponsor, we will explore every tab. So first tab is home tab. So in home tab you will get the list of movies and then you can listen.
Coming soon.
Then coming soon tab, then account tab. So let's explore first account tab.
Profile.
In account tab you will see
selected my coin plus 91 Rachel. Profile.
See.
Profile. Rachel.
My name is there.
Plus 91,700.
And my phone number is there.
Button.
Okay, so though you are not able to see my mobile number because this is the YouTube terms and policy. And now this is edit profile. In edit profile, you can edit your name, phone number, email ID, etc. Okay, so I can't show you the edit profile options because there is my personal information, and as per YouTube guidelines, I can't show you my personal information like email ID, phone number, etc. So it is very easy to use. So you can use this. If you have any doubts, have you any comments, you can ask me into the comment section. You can send an email, send a message. You can join our Telegram group, WhatsApp group. Okay, there we will be there to help you.
My coins in list.
So when you refer someone, you can earn some coins.
My sponsors.
Zero. So if anybody sponsored you, then you will get the sponsors list
Notifications.
Here. Then notifications, some notifications will appear here. Okay.
Subscription plans.
Then subscription plan. Let's discuss about subscription plans. See.
Subscription plans.
Subscription plans.
Get a subscription for unlimited access.
Okay,
30 days. 69.
69. Just only 69 rupees. If you pay, you can access 30 days unlimited access. If you pay
180 days, 199,
you will have access for 180 days, 6 months, and
365 days,
349.
349.
So 349 only per year. You will have the access unlimited content with the audio description. This is an amazing thing. If you are a vision impairment and if you can't afford the price, then there is another option called
request for sponsorship.
If you click here,
NobaFlix.
then see
Request sponsorship.
sponsorship.
Hello everyone. My name is Rachel. I'm visually impaired and
So
love
this is
movies
the
as
message,
you.
and
Add video message.
you can add a video, record now,
Upload.
or upload from gallery.
Submit request button.
If you click on submit request, then your request will be submitted to the NobaFlix partners, and if any partners want, they will help you by sponsoring your subscription. And for your kind information, we are also an official partner of NobaFlix. Yes, we are also an official partner of NobaFlix. I will tell you how you can use our partnership for your verification purpose. I will tell you. So please keep watching this video till the end. So this is the subscription process. Let me go back.
NobaFlix. Stop 7 minute or no request for.
Then
contact us.
See.
Settings.
My
settings.
Let's see what's there in
Settings.
Settings.
Refer and earn.
Refer and earn. So this is the refer and earn options which you can explore on your own. I will not
rate us.
Privacy policy.
Terms and conditions. Stop recording.
Okay, so these things are there.
Contact us.
So here you can contact with them. Just you can send a mail or feedback, suggestion, whatever you want, you can submit. So this is the option for account tab. Next we'll come to the
tab. Coming soon
tab. Let's
coming
see.
soon. July 2nd. Panga in list.
So this will coming soon on July 2nd.
July 2nd. Bidaya. July 8th. Please find attached S0. July 9th. Dasvi.
Okay. So
July 9th. Doordarshan.
Okay. So all these things, all these contents will come soon, right? So this is the coming soon tab.
Downloads.
Then downloads tab. In downloads tab, you will find
coming soon.
So sponsor tab. Let's see.
Sponsor. Help visually sponsor subscription.
Okay, so you can
help visually impaired
help
to join
other visually impaired.
Sponsor now. Button.
Sponsor now.
Home tab.
Okay, so if you want to know more details about sponsoring, just let me know into the comment section. I will make another video. Okay, so this is the main interface of applications. Now I'm going to tell you how you can access these applications. Access means how you can access the movies. For that you need to prove that you are a visually impaired person. For example, you just go to this. For example, I'm just going this. Click on view all.
Here a ferry. Row 2. Phone booth.
Here a ferry.
Tool Citus Jr. Free. Tool. Phone. Here. Romeo. Dabang 3. Romeo Akbar Walter. Hotel Mumbai. Hacked. Yavan Sabhi. I am Kulam. Gonkesh. And Hadhan.
Okay.
Sanju. Stop Hotel Dabang 3. Romeo Act. Here a fair. Phone booth.
So phone booth. I want to listen this movie. So how to do that?
NobaFlix.
See, I clicked on this verification status.
Verification status. Approval status. Your
pending.
authentication as visually impaired request has been submitted with the part.
Okay.
Request again.
So I have requested my submission to a partner, but they did not approve. They did not reject anything. So I am requesting again. So one time, when you first time click on this link, you will get this option. See. Verification option.
Please verify that you are visually impaired by choosing any of the method below. Or get reference. Select and request any of our partner organizations or volunteers to identify you as visually impaired.
Okay, so get reference means here some partners are listed. So you can use those partners a reference. You can submit a request and that partner will give you the approval. Okay, here accessible computing is also listed, and all of my subscribers will get approval within 2 to 4 hours of sending the requests if you subscribed our channel and follow our Facebook page as well as Instagram. So if you send the request, then it is very easy for you to access the content. I will share the application link on my Telegram channel, on our Telegram channel. From that link you should download the application. Yes, from that link you should download the application. So a verification code is there. So you will be automatically referred by us. So once referred by us, we will recognize you, and when you send the request to us, so our team will give you the approval within 2 to 4 hours. Okay, so our team will call you, and based on your reply we will approve. And soon we will launch a new thing related regarding NobaFlix. So you should wait here, you should stay subscribed. Now let me tell you how you can get that.
Or upload identity card.
Okay, so you have to upload your disability certificate or UID card to get approval. But
get reference.
So this is easy. So I'm just you can get reference. Now here
get reference. Search your NGO.
Search your NGO. Box. Here you can search accessible computing.
Select your GNF. Tech showing English. Jammu Cat. Indo Telugu Radio Shri Tech with Sac Udhav Bhumika Mamcha Accessible Computing.
See accessible computing, right?
Kannada
Accessible Computing.
Kannada Tantramsha. Submit out of accessible computing. Mamcha accessible computing. Submit out of lit. Kannada Tantramsha accessible computing.
So I've selected accessible computing and
submit.
Click on submit button.
NobaFlix. Upload video. Add a video message to help partner organization or volunteers
so
to
you can
identify
add a
you
video
and
message
add your
also.
video message.
Okay, you
Make
can
sure
also add
video
a video
message is less than 15-20 seconds.
Yes, you can add a message that I am your subscriber. My name is XYZ. I have subscribed. So please approve of my request and all. You can, if you want, you can this. This is optional.
Record now.
Okay?
Upload. Skip.
Or just click on
upload. Skip.
Skip.
NobaFlix. Verification status.
Verification status.
Approval status.
Approval status pending. Okay, so approval status is pending.
Your authentication as visually impaired request has been submitted with the partner organization volunteer. It generally takes 20. Refresh. Stop.
So you can just refresh.
Refresh.
To check that. Okay.
Stop recording. Image. Windows start
recording.
recording.
This is
refresh. Window
how you can
NobaFlix.
send the request. So once your request is approved, you will get the access. After your verification, once you click any movie name, like I have clicked on phone booth movie name. So here
phone booth.
you will get these options.
Navigate up. Phone booth.
This is the movie name.
Horror comedy.
This is the movie genre.
2 hours 16 minutes.
This is the time.
Free. Play video.
So play video. If you click on play video, then your mobile will be rotate to landscape mode, and you need to keep your mobile phone in landscape mode. You will get the options play button, pause button, rewind. Okay, and you will get the audio description also. It is very useful. Due to some YouTube copyright issues, I will not play the video here, but a sample video will be posted on our official Telegram channel. So if you want, you can join there and you can listen the sample. Similarly, you will get a
play
audio button. The play audio will not change your screen layout, like if you are using portrait screen layout, so you can use the same layout for audio. Okay, so same in audio, you can pause, you can resume, anything you can do. Then
download video,
so you can download the video or
download audio.
I will not download the video because it will take more space, it will take more internet. Okay, so this is the reason I am downloading the audio file only. So let me download this.
Download audio.
Then
rate content.
And after that,
inspired by stories from their childhood, two young men create a business around capturing ghosts.
Brief.
However, their endeavor turns dangerous when they must fulfill their promise to a poltergeist.
This is the brief of that movie. Okay.
Cast and crew.
Then this is the actor name and
Katrina
actress
Kaif.
name.
Download
so let me
audio.
download this.
Phone booth on top. 168.61 megabytes.
So this is the size.
Downloading your file.
Downloading.
5/100.
See, this is going to like downloading.
100. 10/100.
10/100. So let download. Then I'll show you in the downloads folder. It's very easy, but still, as a video maker, I should show you the process. So if you want to use NobaFlix applications, I highly recommending to download from our link. The link is given in the video description box, as well as on our official Telegram channel, as well as at the first comment of this video. The sample video I will post on our official Telegram channel, and if you sign up through our link, and if you verify through if you are a subscriber, and if you like our Instagram page and Facebook page, you will get the verification easily within just 2 to 3 hours. Yes, it will not take more than 2 to 3 hours. So this is our promise to you, and your promise is just if you want to use this, I recommend you use this application, because see, 349 rupees per year. Can you imagine that? Just 349 rupees you spend and you will get unlimited entertainment content. So now you can access unlimited entertainment content by just using this NobaFlix application with full of audio description. Yes, full of audio description. It's an unbelievable experience which you will have, because I have been using this application since 3 to 5 days. So this is my recommendation. And next thing is, it's a very cheap, it's a very reasonable cost. I'm not going to tell about the cheap. It is a very reasonable cost, 349 for 1 year. We are spending money for entertainment daily.
NobaFlix.
But NobaFlix, you should support NobaFlix, because NobaFlix is basically designed for us, designed for VI people. So why we are not supporting now? We need to support. We have to support. So please support, please, if possible, by the 1 year subscription, and I will give all the details in the video description below, and also as well as the comment section, first comment. The next thing is, we will announce a new thing soon, so stay updated in our channel.
Rate content.
So now see,
Downloaded
now. So I'm going to
Cast and Katrina.
back.
I am Cullum. Gone cash. Home. Button. You haven't sat. I am Cullum. Gone cash.
Just
You haven't sat. No. Sponsor.
See,
Download.
I'm going to download.
Downloads.
Now see,
Play icon. Delete.
see,
Downloads. Out of
Downloads.
list. Play icon.
Play.
Delete.
Delete it.
Home. Select. Delete button.
delete
Play.
button.
Down. Navigate up. Downloads. Play icon. Phone
there is a
booth.
play icon, phone
168.61 megabytes. Auto deleted in 30 days. In list.
Auto deleted in 30 days. It will be there, and after 30 days it will be automatically get deleted. Okay, so this is all about the NobaFlix application. Hope you have enjoyed the application, you have enjoyed the video. If you find this content useful, please like this video. While you are registering, please use your full name, mobile number and email ID. These are the things which you need to register, and the link you found in our video description, first comment, as well as on our official Telegram channel. Thank you for watching this video. Soon we will meet together with a new topic. Till then, stay safe, stay entertained, stay subscribed. Bye bye.